Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video. Fuck yeah, head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, today we're doing it a little bit different. I am not at the crib, I am here at Unbreakable's crib, so I'm doing my first video ever inside the Unbreakable vault. I ain't gonna hold you, it is a lot of heat, but as you guys can see in today's review, I got a little bit of heat myself I'm bringing today. Man, I've been dropping so many videos on these Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts. To be honest, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I'm actually happy that it's almost over. The Travis Scott 6 is easily, in my opinion, the best Jordan to come out this year. And with that being said, it's always gonna be a lot on your timelines on Twitter, Instagram, you name it, it's gonna be flooded. New to my channel, bro, like for the last 5 or 6 videos, they have all been about the Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott because, I mean, hey, look, bro, it's the Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott. I came all the way down here from Atlanta to Chicago to try to increase my chances because we didn't really have too many pairs. I knew that Chicago had a lot, man, so I was like, listen, I need to be down there, I need to be in the action, I need to try my best to get my pair. I was depending on Foot Action, but I wound up getting an L over at Foot Action, and luckily, I got a call back from a local store down here, St. Alfred's, man, so shout out to St. Alfred's because I ain't gonna cap. Y'all say today, bro, y'all say today. I took L's everywhere else. St. Alfred hit your boy back, and I picked that up. If you do want to see me pick those up, man, I will drop the pickup vlog underneath this video, but without further ado, let's get into the review because I just want to get this over with, man. It's a great shoe, but we just need to be over there. Fire! Come on, man. Y'all know just because I'm in a different place, ain't nothing changing, bro. Here we have the Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott box. So here we have my favorite color, which is just dark army camo green. And of course, you have this red, scarlet, almost like a bright orange, huge Jordan Jumpman right here on top of the box. Flip it over to the side, you get the Travis Scott, I guess you can call that his logo other than like the Cactus Jack. This is kind of like the sicko mode face to me. That's what I call it. I call it the sicko mode face. Of course, you got the Air Jordan Jumpman here signifying the collab between the two. You flip that around and then you get, as I told y'all earlier, oh, don't drop it. As I told you guys earlier, you get the Cactus Jack logo and of course you get the Air Jordan sign as well. Now my size is a size 12, man. I did hit on my right size. That's a lot too because I know a lot of people was just getting sizes to have. I'm not gonna knock you, bro. Get what you can. I'm just happy I was actually able to get my actual size. And I mean, here they go. Here they go, bro. Here is the best Air Jordan of the year, in my opinion. Y'all already know I'm gonna be doing B-roll over this shoe. I'm not gonna make the review too long because once again, I told you guys, I know I've been flooding the timeline with nothing but Travis Scott. I said this numerous of times, this green is my favorite color. That's like a huge reason why I was attracted to the shoe, other than my favorite feature, which is the glow in the dark sole. I will be giving y'all a B-roll of the glow in the dark sole as well. Every Travis Scott kind of got like some, I wouldn't say like something crazy to it, but it's always a special feature. Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott that had the pocket, no different than this Air Jordan 6 with the small pocket on the side. Whatever you're holding in your pockets, you know what I'm saying, that's between y'all. You know what I'm saying, that's on dog. I ain't got nothing to do with your boy Snipe. Me personally, man, the only thing I'm gonna keep in here is probably, you know what I'm saying, some loose change or something like that. The suede is very, very soft. It does have that color switching suede when you move it from left to right. Huge thing is they have that Nike Air on the back, which I know a lot of people love. Me personally, rather had Nike Air on the back or just a Jordan Jumpman. It still would have made no difference for me because they was getting copped regardless. One thing I do love about this sneaker is a distressed tongue at the top. It's not really a huge thing. You probably can't even see it whenever you put on a pair of sneakers, but at the end of the day, small details matter to me. I ain't gonna hold you. The distressed tongue at the top is definitely a win. Now I am happy because a lot of people on sneakers I seen hit. I have looked at my Instagram and I've seen my Instagram flooded with a lot of people that hit from sneakers, so I do want to say congratulations to everybody who got the W. My people who did not get the W, man, listen, I take L's all the time. I know it looked like I don't take L's, but trust me, it felt like being a sneakerhead. You remember the shoes you never picked up more than the ones you win. I'm telling you that now. Hit the like button if I'm telling the truth. Come on, all my sneakerheads out there, bro. I know you remember the ones you didn't hit way more than you remember the ones you did. And that's why even though I'm standing here, bro, with the Travis Scott 6s, I hit for the Travis Scott 1s, and I did hit for a pair of Travis Scott 4s when they dropped. Trust me, bro, I don't hit for everything. I can vividly remember all the ones I did not hit. So what I'm gonna do now is go over the sneaker with some in-depth review, man, show y'all some dope features. So let's get right into it. Starting off with the outer sole, as I told you guys, off the back, man, it is a glow in the dark sole that caught my attention right off the rip. I do love glow in the dark features. It is the best feature you possibly can put on a shoe other than like 3M. And then when it comes to the sneaker, I believe it has both. So you get like best of both worlds. Glow in the dark shoe with 3M on the upper. Moving up to the midsole, man, you get this white midsole right here at the bottom, and then you get a black midsole going a little bit higher up on the sneaker. Now this bottom white midsole isn't your regular base white. It's a little bit darker, you know what I'm saying? Now, I wouldn't call it a sail either, but it's definitely a little bit darker than a base white. I would call it like an eggshell white or something close to it. Now this upper is the money, you know what I'm saying? This is another thing that sold me. My favorite color, man, it's dark army green with this amazing grade of suede that's completely wrapped around the entire shoe. Really feels good, man. 10 out of 10 on the suede. I really do like how Travis Scott quality always come through. Even though it is a collab sneaker, some collab sneakers don't come out the best. Every Air Jordan Travis Scott I've seen, whether it be the one low, one high, the four, the suede, or the leather, is always hitting. I can give you that. Moving to the back heel of the shoe, as I told you guys, you see the Nike Air sign that a lot of people liked. More importantly, what I like is the pull tab. The pull tab has just like a nice stripe of that same red or scarlet or orange, however you want to describe it, on the back heel tab to make it pop a little bit more. As I was telling you guys about the features that it has on the shoe, it does have the pocket right here on both angles of the shoe. It has this pair and it has it on this pair. So on both pairs, you will get pockets on the upper ankles, on the outside ankle. Now to the laces, this is the only thing that kind of confused me a little bit. So it does have alternate laces. Your alternate laces will be the yellow pair, and you also have a black pair. I actually thought it would be a pair of this orangish, reddish, I still don't really know the name of this, like this color. I was actually thinking that it would be, you know, lace for those, because I mean it's the secondary color. Instead they chose to throw in a pair of yellow laces, which I still don't understand, but at the end of the day, I'm not throwing no yellow laces in here. I want to see what yellow laces will look like. I think black laces will be dope in these without question. The yellow laces, I'm not gonna hold you, bro. I don't know what that's about. Very different, no other than like the pink laces on the Travis Scott ones, but I don't know, man. I guess it's just gonna take some getting used to, or seeing somebody pull off the right way, and who knows, man. Maybe I'll throw them in myself. Also has that distressed tongue I was telling you guys about, and that's pretty much it for your Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott, man. Like I said, this is the best sneaker of 2019. Please let me know down below in the comment section if you agree or if you disagree. Also, guys, hit that like button and subscribe, because we're grinding, trying to hit 100K by the end of the year. Yes, it's October. Yes, we only got a few months left, but guess what? I don't care, bro. I don't care. That 100K, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it as always, man. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.